Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Jane R. Taliedo, 34 years old, married, and blessed with 2 children, ages 5 and 11 years old. I live in Duminit, Cauayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Arts, major in English.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as an housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years. I serve for 4 members of the family, such as 1 couple and 2 children ages 1 and 4 years old. My main duties are taking care of the children, cooking, laundry, wash the dishes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of the children. I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family here in the Philippines and to my future of my children.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will make myself busy and focus to my work, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up 4:30 a.m., sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them with the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible person. And I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.